Hey, Bridget Rose, did we get a package in the mail? Yes, we did. We're out here in the greenhouse with Bella, but we got a package in the mail. Here, why don't we open it? First, Dad's gonna cut it open. And then now, you can help. You helping? I wonder what it is. Is it some new? It's some new merchandise from our store. Oh, you wanna do the shirt last? What did you pull out? I think that's for Dad. Hey Bella, you alright over there? Goodness. Oh, Bella, hey. I think she's alright. She got onto something there. Alright. Dad's trying to open it up. Are you gonna help or what? Here we go. Here we go. You can open up that one? It is our newest Plant Power hat. This one's not on kid size. You can see how cute Bridgie looks in it. Here we go, Bridge. I'll pop it on here so everyone can see. We're gonna get these up on the site because I think they look pretty sweet. You ready? You wanna see everyone see what it looks like? Plant Power. Why not walk around in an awesome hat? Just let everyone know, hey, I'm plant powered, you know? It is what it is. It is what it is. And then, you want to make it even better, Bridge. Let's see this. Gotta do this. While you've got your plant power hat on, you might as well wear a sweet corn long sleeve t-shirt or short sleeve t-shirt. The graphics, guys, I can't. I hope everyone sees how awesome these are in person. I know online it kind of, just the way the images are, they kind of get, I don't know. But in real life, they look really, really sweet. So hopefully that gets across there. And then Bridget, what else we get? Ooh, this one. I don't know. Everyone's gonna have to let me know if you think we should put this one on the site. This one was kind of a special order for me. But if you like it and you think, hey, even if one person wants to get this hat, I'll put it up on the site. The Plant Power one will definitely be up there. But let's see how this one looks. Simple, starchy staples. Now these are the old ragged hats, so don't worry about, you know, doing some work in them because they've already come with a little rips and tears there. That's just the design. I really kind of liked that, and it's the nice, easy Velcro back of it. Those are the hats that I enjoy. Simple, starchy staples, nice navy base, bright orange to let everyone know, hey, what are you living off of? Simple, starchy staples. Let's see what that one looks like on me here, Bridge. Oh, you checking to see if there's anything else? Yeah. All right. What does everyone think of the simple, starchy staples hat? You're seeing it first. I'm not actually able to see this yet. Here, Bridget, why don't you come on up here? Whoop. All right, I got you. Whoop. And here, why don't we do this? I know it's not your size, but hey, why don't we see how... Whoa, no. Bridget's wearing the Plant Power hat. Not for long, but she was wearing it. Hello. But I don't know. We've just... we kind of decided, you know, I was like, I'd like to do some merchandise, do different things, but I didn't want to do like just anything. I want to do things that I enjoy wearing, and these are the type of hats that I enjoy wearing. These are the type of shirts and the designs, comfortable shirts, and really neat designs that I enjoy. I know some people have said, well, Gabriel, can you make the design smaller? I prefer if it was just on a little spot. Well, no, I may be in the future, but right now, you know what? These are the type of... Oh, you want to get down and help undo some more packaging? But these are the type of shirts, these are the designs that I like to wear, that we like to wear, and that's the type of things that we're going to promote and wear ourselves, and also make available to everyone, and they're reasonably priced. All of our short sleeve t-shirts, $20. You know, buy $50 on the site, free shipping, and shipping's pretty quick. You know, within 3 to 6 days most times. So they get out to you, and we really enjoy them. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Like I said, this is the Simple Stretch and Staple one. It's not on the site, but if you want it to be, I put it up there for you. And then this one, the Plant Power one, definitely will be, because I think that's pretty slick. So we hope you guys enjoy this. You check them out at plantbasedgabriel.com/shop. Bridget, do you have anything else to add? You're like, where's my clothes? I think you're just happy with the box. But we love you guys, and we'll see you all in another video soon. Make sure to check the stuff out if you want to give it a shot. We'll see ya.